He can't get the pulleys, he can't get the pucks for it. He's like, so I can somewhat fix it. I'm like, it's just not really worth it. You have to take the whole lift down to fix it. It's just not worth it. So, yeah, so we got this lift here getting replaced today. Brought the vehicle up on a lift and it started kind of going up a little sideways and kind of made some weird noises on it. So we have an inspection done on the lifts every year. And on this lift here, last year it passed, but there's a pulley on the bottom side of this lift that's been giving us some issues with it. The lifts have been here for probably 20 years now at this point. They get serviced every year, but something is starting to fail internally with it. Parts are not available, so today's going to be a lift day. So we're going to be they're going to be coming in today and installing a brand new lift for Barnard's Bay here. We're also upgrading it, so we have one 12,000 pound lift on that side. We're going to be putting another 12,000 pound lift over here. We already took the measurements. We have just enough clearance to make it fit. But again, it's safety's huge, and we can't have a lift that's going to be, you know, temperamental with us or give any guys any issues. So that's part of the business, and part of what we have to do, unfortunately, is kind of reinvest some of our money and put it back in the business. So yeah, today we'll be getting a new lift, which will be great.
Driven by quality, trusted by you. Simon's Auto Repair, located at 678 Somerset Avenue, Taunton, Mass.